Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two lamps. These two really nice lamps for your nightstand. I'm going to be using this one to show all the features from a close-up, and this one just to show you the light because it's the one that I put the actual glass. We are about to move, so we're looking for a nice set of new I want to have something with glass because we have cats, and you know, the other screens, like the fabric screens, they tend to get like a ton of cat hair. So I wanted something with glass, and these ones are pretty good just because they are nice and portable. They're nice with made of a really nice kind of like vintage metal. And you also have this really nice glass cover with the filament bulbs that comes with the two bulbs actually. But also with this one, you have a long cable, and also comes with right here, you're gonna find a way for putting a AC, like a cable, for example, to put like a charge your laptop, for example, or something like that. But also on this side, it comes with a USB-C and a USB, so you can charge your devices at the same time. And it also comes with a dimmable button. I do like that comes with a dimmable feature. Let me turn off the light so you can see this one better. Okay, check this out. This is all now dim. It's also almost off. And you can see that this one, I could just like put it, wow, that's pretty cool. I like them. These are kind of like really nice. I would probably change the light bulb and put one of those like super nice and cozy yellow ones, the filament ones with cozy yellow ones. But I do like that the fact that comes with all those places that you can charge your devices at the same time. You get the two, and you also get the two glasses cover, the two light bulbs, and of course the dimmable button, which I think it is fantastic.